Welcome back to TechStanis. Today we're uncovering one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, weapons in cybersecurity, OSINT, or open source intelligence. From stopping hackers to tracking criminals, OSINT is changing the way we fight digital battles. Let's dive in. So what exactly is OSINT? In simple terms, it's the art of gathering and analyzing publicly available information. That could be tweets, forum posts, leaked documents, job listings, Google searches, satellite images, or even metadata from photos. It's like putting together a puzzle, except every piece is scattered across the internet, waiting to be found. Here's why OSINT is a secret weapon in cybersecurity. Hackers often leave digital footprints without even realizing it. A careless LinkedIn update about a company's IT systems, or a hacker bragging on a forum. All of these are breadcrumbs. With OSINT, security teams can spot these clues and stop threats before they turn into full-blown attacks. Take this real-world example. A global company discovered that cybercriminals were planning an attack. How? Their security team used OSINT to monitor open forums and found the hackers discussing the breach weeks before it happened. By acting fast, they patched vulnerabilities, and the attack never succeeded. But OSINT isn't just about preventing cyber attacks. Law enforcement uses it to track down criminals. Journalists use it to verify facts and uncover corruption. Businesses use it to monitor their competitors and reputation. In the right hands, OSINT is not just powerful, it's transformational. Now, let's talk about the tools that make OSINT so effective. Some of the most popular ones include Maltego, for mapping relationships between people, companies, and data. Shodan, the search engine that finds devices connected to the internet. theHarvester, for gathering emails, domains, and IPs. Google Dorks, advanced search queries to dig deeper than the average Google search. Each tool is like a different lens, giving you a unique perspective on the information floating out there. But here's the key. OSINT is only as good as the person using it. It's not about spying or hacking. It's about knowing where to look, how to verify, and how to connect the dots. That's why many cybersecurity professionals say, the best offense is a great OSINT defense. So the next time you hear about hackers, data leaks, or even major investigations, remember, chances are OSINT played a critical role. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we'll be exploring more OSINT techniques, tools, and real-world cases right here on TechStanis. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep investigating.